So here is our exterior station right here. Hopefully we're getting a decent shot of that. Bust it open. Sorry, yeah, now this puppy's completely empty. So we're gonna fill it up. And there's only one rod in here, so we're gonna use these spikes to hold our Mackie. We're gonna fit the back end of that with our Mackie. Get some resolve. Okay, fill the rod up. Stick that puppy in there. And that is rebaiting an exterior station. I'm gonna leave that there. The warranty's still live, meaning we keep coming back to refill these for 6 months. And thus far, everything looks good here.